Just a So, hello, Nell. We'll start the class now. People will start joining. So, let me share the screen. Are you able to see this screen? Nell, are you able to see? You can unmute. Right?
Hi.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I just want to make sure. Okay. So, in the last class, we saw about this adjective. Adjective in Japanese is
形容詞
keiyoshi.
形容詞
Keiyoshi. And there was i-keiyoushi and na-keiyoushi. So today we are just going to focus on i-keiyoushi. So we are going to see i-keiyoushi and its form in present, future, positive sentences. Okay, I'll explain you what is it. And present, future, negative sentences. Like say, I want to say something like it is cheap, or so it is in the present tense, or and it is positive sentence. And this is negative, like it is not cheap. So how to say this in Japanese? So in English, all you need to do is just put is and not before the adjective and it becomes negative. But in Japanese, the adjective itself will change. Just like in verbs, like work, we do working, or worked, we write like this. The adjective also changes. So in present, future, positive, all we need to do is just put E. So this is the basic form. In present or future negative sentences, the E will be replaced with kunai. So let us look at the example. For example, this is cheap, okay? Cheap or inexpensive. So this kanji over here, this is kanji for yasui, okay? Yasu. And we just put E. So this hiragana will change, keep changing. So the cheap in Japanese is
安い
yasui.
安い
Yasui. Now let us look at the opposite of cheap. It's expensive. So this is the kanji for expensive. And it is also kanji for tall. So in Japanese, this is
高い
takai.
高い
Takai. So this is kanji for taka. And then we put just E. Taka and E. Takai. This is long, and this is the kanji for long. And in Japanese, it is
長い
nagai,
長い
nagai. So opposite of nagai is short, and this is the kanji for short. And we say
短い
mijikai.
短い
Mijikai. Okay. So all we do is just put E with this kanji. Next, let us take this.
かわいい
Kawaii.
かわいい
Kawaii. Now, please remember, this kanji is not used nowadays because it's so used so often. Hiragana is used. So in Japanese, there are such kind of words which are used so often that the hiragana will be used instead of kanji. So this, and please remember over here it is e, okay? E, kawaii. So kawaii, that's how we read. So kawaii is cute. Low, this is the kanji for low, okay? And low, and then we just put e. So it is
低い、
hui,
低い、
hui. Next is
青い、
aoi,
青い、
aoi. And aoi is blue. And this is the kanji for blue, okay? So these are all simple. We just put e along with all the kanji. So it's very simple as that. But when it comes to negative, we just put kunai. Instead of this e, we use kunai. For example, it is not cheap is
安くない、
yasukunai.
安くない、
Yasukunai. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, yasu and kunai. Yes, that's right. So along with this i-keiyoushi, this e will be replaced with ku and nai. So, and this is only with the i-keiyoushi. With na-keiyoushi, it is different, and we'll look in the coming videos. Now, let us look at this Takai. Can you guess how to say Takai? Takai will be? Yeah.
Takakunai.
Very good, very good. Well done. Very good. It is takakunai. That's right. Yeah. Taka and kunai. Taka kunai. So it means that it's not expensive or it is not tall. Now let us look at long. Long is? Very good. Nagakunai. That's right. And later on, we'll have this pronunciation video. So you can practice the pronunciation of it. So, okay. Now let us look at the next short. Mijikai. Okay. Mijikai will be?
Mijikakunai. Mijikakunai.
That's right. Mijikakunai. Mijikakunai. Yes. Very good. Yes, very good. And next is kawaii. Kawaii will be?
Kawaii kunai.
Yes, kawaii kunai. Okay, it is kawaii kunai. Yes. And please remember. Yes, very good. Please remember this kanji is not used nowadays because kawaii is used so often that they use only the hiragana. Okay, next is hikui. Hikui will be?
Hikukunai.
Yes. Yes, hikukunai. Hikukunai. Sorry, there is an extra K. I made a mistake. It's just one KU. Okay, KU and another KU. So not KKU. Hikukunai. Next is aoi. Aoi will be?
Aokunai.
Yes, that's right. Aokunai. You're right. So it will be aokunai. Yeah. So this was about adjective form. Okay. It changes the adjective, both na-keiyoushi and i-keiyoushi changes. Okay. We will look at the na-keiyoushi later on. Now let us look at today's topic.
Frictions. Yeah.
Yeah, so today we are going to learn about question where. Okay, where is doko? Okay, doko. And all words related to doko. And
Doko.
hiragana, katakana from pa to po. And some words related to the letters we learn.
Doko.
So let us start. In Japanese, the word question is
質問、
shitsumon.
質問、
Shitsumon. Okay, and shitsumon. And where is in Japanese is
どちら、
Yeah,
Yes.
dochira.
that's dochira. Very good, dochira. And
どこ、
doko. So dochira and doko. Dochira is polite form. And doko is neutral.
Right, neutral.
Yeah. So it's neither polite nor it's just normal, used normally, doko. So, and also dochira means which way. Which way, okay? This way, that way. So dochira. Now, let us look at the sentence structure. Just like last time, this is also topic or subject, okay? The topic we are discussing about. And then along with that, the particle wa or ga will be used. And question word is dochira or doko. And then deska. So this is how it will be. Something wa, doko.
Doko. Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
Super.
Yes,
Doko. Doko desu ka?
that's right. Now let us look at the examples. For example, if I want to say, where is the meeting room? Now, meeting in Japanese is
会議、
kaigi.
会議、
Kaigi. Okay. And room is tsu.
Oh, sheet. Sheet.
Yeah. And
会議室ですか？
so that's right. So it is
会議
kaigi
室ですか？
shitsu wa
は
dochira desu ka?
会議室はどちらですか、
会議室はどちらですか？
会議室はどちらですか、
会議室はどちらですか？ This is how we say. 会議室はどちらですか？
Dochira desu ka? はい。
会議室は
Or we can even say 会議室はどこですか？会議室。
会議室かどこですか?
That's right. Now let us look at next example. Where is the school? Okay, where is the school? So where is doko? And school in Japanese is
どこ?
gakko.
学校、
Gakko.
ここは
Gakko.
ここはどこですか？
Very good. So it is gakko wa. You can, in a polite way, if we say, is
学校はどちらですか、
gakko wa
これ
dochira desu
こち
ka?
らですか？
That's right. Gakko wa
これ
desu ka? And
ど
with
ちら
doko, how do we say?
どこは学校はどこですか？
Very good.
どこ?
Gakko wa doko desu ka? Yeah, that's how we say. Gakko wa doko desu ka? So these are some of the examples.
If you can
Now,
ask
when we say, please remember, when we say gakko wa doko desu ka, it can also mean that the person is asking, which school did you graduate from? Already graduate from, or you are still studying at? So, could also mean that. Now, let us look at this word, dokoka. Just like dochira, this doko ka. Okay, dokoka. What does dokoka mean? Dokoka means somewhere. Okay.
Some
Yeah, somewhere is dokoka. So, for example, I don't know where my book is. Okay. It is somewhere. Okay. So, don't know is wakaranai. Don't know is
わからない。
wakaranai.
わからない。
Wakaranai.
Wakaranai.
This is kanji for wakaranai. Wakaranai. Wakaranai.
Wakaranai.
And book is
本。
hon.
本。
本。
Hon. This is hon.
Hmm.
So,
本がどこかわからない。
hon ga doko ka wakaranai.
本がどこかわからない。
Hon ga
うん。
doko ka
ここが
wakaranai. So this is how, yeah, hon ga. So this
本
ga
が
is particle for, because it's the subject. So hon ga doko ka.
どこ
Doko ka means somewhere. Wakaranai. Doko ka is somewhere. Next is doko mo plus
Doko.
negative. Doko mo and something negative. If we say nai or imasen, arimasen or imasen, then it means nowhere. For example, no restaurant is open. Now, open is
空いている。
aiteiru.
空いてる。
いる。
Aiteiru.
空いてる。
Yeah. And this is the kanji for open. So let us look into the sentence.
レストランはどこも空いていません。
Restaurant wa doko mo aiteimasen.
レストランはどこも空いていません。
Restaurant wa doko mo aiteimasen. So this aiteimasu. Aiteimasu is positive and aiteimasen is negative. So it means that no restaurant is open.
Open.
Nowhere. Okay. Now let us look at some more words related to doko. Like doko ni mo. Doko ni mo and negative also means nowhere. So, like I found umbrella nowhere. So, nowhere. So, to be found in Japanese means
見つかる。
mitsukaru.
見つかる。
Mitsukaru. So, this is a kanji. And to see. Okay. Miru. Miru no kanji. To see kanji is this. And umbrella in Japanese is
傘。
kasa.
傘。
Kasa, yes. And this is how we read.
傘がどこにも見つからなかった。
To be found must
Kasa ga doko ni mo mitsukara nakatta. Okay, nakatta is negative. Kasa ga. Kasa is the subject and ga is the particle. And doko ni mo, nowhere. Mitsukara nakatta. Okay, so this is how we say in negative form because this is past tense.
mitsuku wa na
うん。
katta.
Yeah, mitsukara nakatta. Later on, you can practice the pronunciation when in the
さが
next
どこに
next
も
video we upload. Now let us look at dokodemo. Okay.
も
Dokodemo
でも
and positive
どこでも
means
どこでも
anywhere, or it also means everywhere. For example, if it is in Tokyo, anywhere is fine. For example, I'm looking for a house and someone says, is it okay if it is in this area? Then I would say, if it is in Tokyo, anywhere is fine. Any place is fine. So if it is, in Japanese is nara, okay?
なら
And so this is how we say in Japanese.
東京ならどこでもいいです。
Tokyo nara
なら
dokodemo
どこでもいい
ii desu. Ii desu is
いい
fine.
です。fine
And Tokyo nara, if it is Tokyo, dokodemo ii desu. Any place or anywhere is fine. So this was about doko. Okay. Now let us go to the next topic.
うん
Hiragana part 4. I tried to look for words that starts with Hiragana part 4, but which starts with pa. But there were not many words. So let us start this one. So these 1, 2, and 3 strokes is ha. And when we put this circle over here, then it becomes
Pa.
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 Pa. Pa as in
立派、
rippa.
立派、
Rippa. Rippa means splendid or fine. Now let us look at this. This is he. When we put this circle on the top, it becomes
P.
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 P. And P as in
鉛筆、
enpitsu.
鉛筆、
Enpitsu. So this is kanji for enpitsu. This is not JLPT N5 kanji, but it's good to remember the shape and for your future study. So enpitsu is pencil in Japanese. Now let us look at the next one. This is who. And when we put a circle, it becomes
ぷ、
pu.
ぷ、
Pu. And pu as in
切符、
kippu.
切符、
Kippu. And kippu means ticket. Okay. Okay, now let's look at next. Next is a. And when we put a round here, it becomes
Pe.
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 Pe. And pe as in
いっぺんに、
ippenni.
いっぺんに、
Ippenni. And ippenni
でも
means all at once. Everything happening in one time, all at once. So ippenni. Okay, let's look at next. This is ho. 1, 2, 3, and 4 strokes are ho. And when we put around here, it becomes
ぽ、
po.
ぽ、
Po. Po as in
日本、
Nippon.
日本、
Nippon.
So in Japan, when we say it in Japanese, it's Nippon. Nippon, or this can even can be read as Nihon. Okay, Nihon or Nippon. So it can be read either way. So we have finished pa to po. Now let us practice this.
パ、
Pa,
パ、
ピ、
pi,
ピ、
プ、
pu,
pu,
ペ、
pe,
pe,
ポ、
po,
パ、
pa,
pa,
ピ、
pi,
pi,
プ、
pu,
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 ペ、
he,
pe,
pe,
ポ、
po.
po,
Very good.
pa,
Now
pu,
let us go to katakana. Katakana. This is katakana ha, and when we put this round, it becomes
パ、
pa,
pa,
pa. And
katakana,
pa as in
パソコン、
pasokon,
パソコン、
pasokon. So this is pa, so, kon, pasokon. And pasokon means personal computer. So
personal,
yes, the computer is called pasokon in Japanese. Let us look at next one. This is he, and when we put this round, it becomes
ピ、
piano,
ピ、
p. And yes, right, p as in
ピアノ、
piano,
ピアノ、
no,
piano. And this is not pronounced piano, it's piano, piano in
Piano.
Japanese, piano and piano,
no,
English. Next is
piano.
Pu.
Pu,
very good, pu. And pu as in
プール、
pur,
プール、
puru,
pur. So because there is a line over here, the u will be stretched and it becomes puru. Okay,
puru,
puru means swimming pool
swimming pool,
is pur. Next is
ペ、
pe,
ペ、
pe, and pe in Romaji it is pe, pe, and pe as in
ページ、
page,
ページ、
page.
page,
So pe and then a, pe, and
page,
this is she, and then it becomes g. So page, page is page.
page,
This is ho, and when we put a round here, it becomes
ポ、
po,
ポ、
po.
okay.
So and in Romaji it is po, po, and po as in
ポケット、
pocketto,
ポケット、
pocketto.
Pocket,
Yes. So whenever there is a small s, the consonant part will be stretched. So we have finished this katakana pa to po.
パ、
Pa,
ピ、
pa,
pi,
pi,
プ、
pu,
ペ、
pe,
pu,
ポ、
po. Yes.
パ、
Pa,
ピ、
pi,
プ、
pu,
po,
ペ、
pe,
ポ。
po. So we will be uploading the pronunciation video soon, and you can practice the pronunciation of all the words, the adjectives, and the hiragana, katakana, patupo. So we are at the end of the class. So I'll stop sharing the screen. Yeah. So yeah, Swarna Mala, welcome to our class today. So yeah, so I hope we're able to learn from this class. And are there any questions from either Nell or Swarnamala?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
It's very clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I try to make it as
Yeah.
Clearly. And you can even practice writing and pronunciation. Then you will be able to speak very well. So
Okay.
if there are no questions, we will end our class now. And see you next week again.
Arigato. Thank you.
Yeah, arigato.
See you next
Thank
week.
you. See you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so
Nice
much.
teacher. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Yeah, have a nice weekend. Thank you.